Kamiti ya Seneti ugima wa mwiri ithiete na mbere na gwika uthuthuria wayo wigi uhotekeku wa ngukumio ya ciringi bilioni 3.7 kugerera kandarathi iria yaniriirwo ya uguri wa neti cia kurigiriria rwagi.
Do solemnly swear that the evidence that I shall give before this committee.
Umuthi munene wa ruhonge rwa kuhitana na Malaria Ahmeddin Hassan Omar hamwe na murugamiriri munene wa ihinda thiini wa ruhonge rwa KEMSA Dr Andrew Mulwa aria mari gatagati ka mutaratara wa kwanirira kandarathi ino nimekinyirie mbere ya kamiti ino ona gutwika ni monekanire kwaria na thauti igiri mwanya cia uria maundu mahanekire.
I know there was consultations between Treasury and KEMSA before they prepared the tender document, and therefore the specifications that were agreed on was a product of consultations between Treasury, Global Fund and KEMSA.
And I learned that the specification on the advertisement is missing one line item, the PPO, as compared to the specification that were submitted together with our memo.
Githiururi giki kiambiriirie tariki 12 mweri wa 10 mwaka muthiru riria Dr Mulwa andikire marua mwandiki mukaru wa ihinda riu Dr Josephine Buruna kuri ministry ya kigina irua riria riari na kwendekithia wigi uguri wa neticio na Mulwa augite ati andikire marua maya thutha wa kuheo taro ucio ni Dr Ahmeddin.
Approval was granted for the procurement to proceed. Why didn't the procurement process start that time?
I don't know what was happening between Treasury and KEMSA. I was not in the picture, because once I submit to the PS and the PS submits to Treasury, it is conversations between those other organs that continued.
No gugikinyiria tariki 20 mweri wa 2 mwaka uyu iria yani manjiti guthoma maandiko-ini ngurani na kuringana na Mulwa ni ambiriirie kuigwo keheri-ini thiini wa mutaratara wa kwanirira kandarathi akiuga ati ona mamwe ma maundu megie kandarathi iyo amamenyagira kugerera uhoro mumemerekie.
Then I advised him to write. Then as I am awaiting for him to write to me, I see in the newspapers an extension of the net tender in view of this communication, and this thing, Chair, brought a lot of heat.
All my communications have been directed to and only my director, Dr Mulwa, sitting next to me.
Senators ni monekanire kwaga kuiganirana kana ni gwekirwo micemanio ya kuiguithaniria wigie kandarathi ino na angikorwo ni kwari nayo ya kuruhanagia maabithaa ariku.
Did you and Dr Omar advise the PS then that there was an omission on the specification?
To the best of my knowledge, I never had a meeting with the PS and Dr Omar on this subject.
And we had a discussion, and he advised me to write to him an advisory memo detailing the same.
Kamiti no ni guthie na mbere na kugia na giikaro na maabithaa angi aria magwetetwo ngukumio-ini ino na niricoke heana riboti ya uthuthuria wayo.